Today, we're diving into the Canon EOS Rebel T1i, a powerhouse in the world of digital SLR cameras. With a 15.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and a Digic 4 image processor, this camera delivers on the promise of fine detail and natural color reproduction. What sets the T1i apart is its full HD video capture at 1920 by 1080 resolution, bringing your videos to life with stunning clarity. The HDMI output ensures seamless playback on high-definition screens. The Live View function, offering quick, live, and face detection AF modes, is a game-changer for both stills and video enthusiasts. The 3.0-inch clear view LCD with 920,000 dots provides a crystal-clear view with anti-reflective and scratch-resistant coatings, adding durability to its impressive features. The auto lighting optimizer enhances highlight shadow control, ensuring your shots are always on point. Compact yet powerful, the T1i is beginner-friendly, making EOS digital performance accessible to all. Canon's CMOS sensor technology captures images with exceptional clarity and tonal range, making it a standout in its class. If you're looking for a versatile DSLR that combines superb still photography with full HD video capabilities, the Canon EOS Rebel T1i with the 2-lens kit is a solid choice. Stay tuned for more insights into this impressive camera. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.